Storm Team.
Well, it was raining this morning walking into work. Will we need that umbrella throughout the day today?
It's a good idea to keep it at arm's length, right? We do have a few isolated showers and storms still possible throughout the day, but it'll be later on this evening. Again, kind of like what happened last night, that we have the most rain that is going to be possible until it finally dries up for a little while. There is a cold front on the way to help sweep the slate clean, but it isn't moving that fast, and that's why we continue to have a risk of some showers and perhaps a storm throughout the day. Temperature 70 degrees. 70 is our dew point. Those two numbers are the same. We get 100% relative humidity, so it is still sticky, but the temperature will not rise as much as it did yesterday. Most of us were up there close to 90 degrees in the afternoon. 70 in Knoxville, same for Ocoa and Loudoun and Sevierville. Most places verify between 67 and 70 degrees so far this morning. This is some good news, although it's brief. We have a break in our feels like temperatures. That's because the atmosphere will dry out a little bit. Temperature will come down slightly, but more importantly, our dew point's going to come down. So even though today it'll feel like 90, it's going to feel like 85 tomorrow, 88 Tuesday. Those 2 days are looking good. Then afterwards, you notice they go right back up to almost 100 is what it'll feel like by the end of the week. So yeah, the stickiness and the summertime thunderstorms probably back too by the end of the week. We are having a risk, a slight risk. It's only a 1 on the scale for severe threat today, but some of these thunderstorms that do eventually develop could potentially be severe. If they do, they're going to harbor a lot of heavy rain perhaps, and even some very gusty winds. This is 9 o'clock this morning. You can see there's still a spot or two of rain showers that have been developing. They'll continue to develop throughout the afternoon. Some of those could get a little strong briefly, and then toward the evening, we start to notice the rain be more of a larger field. And that's kind of what happened early this morning. That's why we had so much rain. Here is the amount we could add on to that. Another 1/3 of an inch in Maryville possible. Knoxville could get over a 1/2 an inch, probably about 1/4 to 1/2 an inch more on average, what we'll see. 83 degrees today, 40% chance for those spotty showers and storms. And then tonight's the bigger chance, at least around sundown and thereafter. 60% possibility. Flooding, certainly a potential because of the ground that's already saturated. 85, that'll be our high on Monday. So starting the work week isn't too bad. It just would have to happen at the beginning of the work week, right? It'd be nice if we're on the weekend. It'll be mainly early when it comes to those showers. Otherwise, the rest of the day looks good. We're going to break up the sun or the clouds and get the sun back. Tuesday and Wednesday will be just gorgeous days because the dew points will be down. We'll have a lot of sunshine. Yes, it starts to heat up and approaches 90, but that's what it's supposed to do this time of the year. Scattered storms Thursday, Friday, and then going into next weekend. Molly?
And now is